Hey everyone, Allie Alberigo here from takingittoTheNextLevel.com, and I'm here with you today because I wanted to share with you an overview of my product that I have available for you. It's a mini course called the Retail Wonderland. Now, I've always had some infatuation with selling retail. I started off, my first job was in a picture frame company when I was a little kid. I was like 15. And within like a year, I was running deliveries once I got my license, and then I managed the place. And then I managed a video store soon after that, which was called Video Connection way back in the day. And I've been doing retail ever since. When I opened my martial arts school, I had a love for retail products, right? I wanted to be able to get my ideas and the things that I liked to the customers within my school. There are so many things that are overlooked within a martial arts school with retail. In fact, I often talk about the retail on the shelves at most martial arts schools are there to collect the dust, so people have one area where they can just dust off rather than the entire school. But what we want to do is understand that you have an entire marketplace. Here's when